welcome back to another video. It's Sunday, so it's time for another painting. Yesterday's painting is this one. It's nearly dry already because it's so hot in the caravan. Yesterday there were parts of Ireland that apparently got to 31 degrees. So 31 degrees with humidity, that's pretty uncomfortable. I'm not sure what the temperatures got to here. It wasn't 31, luckily, but it is hot and it's quite uncomfortable. So I've got the floor fan on there behind me, and yeah, right, so today I want to do a swipe using the Amsterdam Titanium White mixed with water. We're going to swipe over some darker colors because I'm swiping in white. I've got a round canvas on my spinner, so after we swipe we're going to spin it out, and that's it. Let's create a beautiful painting today, so come and join me, and let's paint. Come along. Okay, so here we are. I'm just putting my gloves on. Whew. Okay, so I have my palette knife that I'm going to swipe with. I've got some paper towels to wipe it off. Just do that. Then I've got some paints, dark colored paints, and then in here I've mixed up some of the Amsterdam Titanium White. So we're going to start by just putting some paint on the canvas. This is a lovely dark blue color. And it should do that. This is a dark green color. This is a very dark pink. And finally, this is a very dark purple. Okay, that should do it. Alright, so I'm just going to tilt it slightly, like that. Right, let us swipe. Can you see it? Yes, you can. So you just dip it in, take the excess off, just turn this sideways and swipe across and wipe off the tool, and again I swipe this way, then that way, then this way, then that way. That's just the way I do it. Last one. Okay, I'm not going to do any more. I'm going to just cover the edges. So just take whatever paint is here, it's fine, because it's all just going to tilt off the edges now when we spin it anyway. Just like that, just cover the edges. Okay, right, that can go down there. Now I'm going to bring you up and put this where you can see it, like that. It can just stay there. Right, let us spin this out. Now you don't need to go fast. The weight of the paint will go over, and then you can just bring the paint down to the side you want it to go over. Just bring the weight down and then spin that. Okay, and let me just give it one more. Okay, and then bring the weight down to the other side. Okay, and spin it. Not quite over yet. Just bring the weight down some more. Almost. Okay, that's it. Okay, so just go around and make sure all your sides are covered. You can pick paint up off the table or your spinner or wherever you can find some paint, and just dab it on, and because the paint is wet it'll run down, so it'll be fine. Wow, that is very pretty. It's got some lovely colouring in it. It's got some lovely lacing. I really like that. So I'm just going to, I'm just going to take my gloves off, and I'm quickly going to hit this with a heat gun because the blue and the green I mixed just before I poured it out, so it's got some bubbles in it. Okay, wow, that is really pretty. Really pretty. So I'm going to let me just move these paints out the way, and then I'm going to bring you down for a close-up. So here it is. Look at that. Very pretty. Lovely lacing, lovely coloring in it. The whole thing is covered in lacing. Look at that. Look at it. I love the effects that you get from the Amsterdam paints. I love it. And like I said, this is just paint mixed with water. There's no pouring medium, no silicone, nothing at all. And it creates lacing, all of that lacing, and cells. I mean, those are more cells than lacing. And then lacing. But I love that. Love that effect. So, wow, there we go. Beautiful painting done. Happy with that. So, again, everyone, thank you for joining me. And that's it in the dark. In the dark. Look at it. Very, very happy with that. So, yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for everybody who has subscribed to my channel. Over the weekend alone, I got another 2 subscribers. So I'm really very, very grateful to all of you. And, yeah, if you enjoyed this video and if you want to follow along on my art journey, you know, please subscribe. I put out a video, well, I put out 2, sometimes 3 videos a week. And all of my paintings I do are very easy techniques for beginners. And you can clearly see what I'm doing in the videos. I tell you what is in the paints. You know, so if you are a beginner, please consider subscribing to my channel. I think my videos will be helpful to all of you. And that's it, everyone. Please remember that all paintings created in my channel are available to buy in my Etsy shop. Details to my Etsy shop are down in the description below. And all my prices of my paintings are drastically reduced, and they all include worldwide postage. So yeah, have a look at that if you want to look at my paintings. And that's it, everyone. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy your week. Bye.